Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, they say you cannot keep a good man down, but in this instance you cannot keep a short little man down is the more apt adage. So of course Adams Oshiomole, our short little man from Edo State, he is back. Guys, I bring you this. I am back for my job. God has driven away snake in our family. A headline attributed to Oshiomole. So he couldn't even be quiet for 2 minutes. He's already piping up again in the public space. Again, I am back for my job. God has driven away snake in our family. A headline attributed to Oshiomole. So now let's now see what snake has been driven from his family. The immediate past national chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC, Comrade Adams Oshiomole, says he's back in Edo State to continue with his job. Oshiomole spoke to a crowd of people who welcomed him back to the state from Abuja on Saturday night. Ahead of the September governorship election, Oshiomole arrived his country residence at Inyamo near Auchi, Etasoko West local government area on Saturday night. He said, "I am back and ready for the job." The former governor added, "Now that the snake that entered our family home, God has driven the snake to where he belongs. And if the people say yes and God says yes, there is no man born of a woman that can say no. We shall bring back the era of red roof. We want to bring back roads with drainage. We want to bring back those lofty days when we engaged our youth and we mixed up with the elders. We want to return to the government of the people, by the people, and for the people." So that's Adams Oshiomole again resurfacing in Edo State to continue to constitute himself a nuisance to the Nigerian people. This guy, I don't know what he's after anymore. He has risen to the highest heights that he'll ever rise to within his political career, because I cannot see Adams Oshiomole becoming president. We all know that that would never happen. He cannot be the governor of Edo State again because of course he has served 2 terms. He's already been the chairman of his party, where he has subsequently been ingloriously kicked out. So unless he's appointed now a minister, there's really no room left for him anymore within the political sphere. So noisemaker though he is, and a noisemaker he always will be. He reminds me of Fani Kayode and Reno Omokri, etc. These people, they can't resist their lure and the luster of public attention. So he will say and do anything to continue to recall within the public space, and the upcoming election in September in Edo State provides him the perfect opportunity, the perfect avenue to continue to be a nuisance to the Nigerian people, especially to the Edo people. So after that September now, we will see how he continues to constitute himself a nuisance to the people of the country and the state. But he is back apparently, according to him, and is ready to do his job. Conversations in the comment section. Adams Oshiomole again, he pops up, our short little man from Edo State. What says you? Come share thoughts. This guy cannot keep quiet. Would you like him to keep quiet? Come tell me all about it in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done all 3, come into the comment section, come share thoughts about Adams Oshiomole. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.